How to make coconut oriental pasta. Hey besties, you are welcome to this channel. If you're new on this channel, you are super duper welcome, and to all my existing subscribers, I love you all. If you've not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Subscribe, turn on your notification button, and comment and share. Okay, so today we will be making coconut oriental pasta. So if you've been looking for that flavorful, unique and creamy pasta, this is the dish for you. Okay, so in your pot you want to just fry your sausage, set that aside, saute your onion, go in with your coconut cream and carrot and allow that to simmer for some seconds, and then you want to go in with this oriental spice mix. Okay, and then your mixed spice and your turmeric just a bit. Go in with your mixed veggies, your bell peppers, your sweet corn, and then your Knorr chicken seasoning, of course, and then go in with a bit of salt, and then go in with your black pepper, and then that's my frozen stock. Okay, and so you just want to have that all stirred and just allow it to simmer on low heat. Check up on your pasta. I'm using a pen pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice, and then I went in with it. Make sure the pasta is not well cooked. It should be half cooked. Okay, so you just want to pour it into the sauce, cover it to simmer for some seconds or some minutes, and then you open it. Okay, look at that goodness, besties. Look at how beautiful and yummy it's looking. So you want to go in with your fried sausages and just give it a quick stir, and yeah, at this point it is ready. Okay, but we are not done. Okay, we need to plate it and we need to enjoy it together. So you need to just stir all the sausage, everything, the veggies, everything should be properly stirred together. Besties, at this point, click on the subscribe button, turn on your notification button. You don't want to miss this family. Okay, I want to have you as part of my family. Okay, always comment on the videos you see on this channel. Okay, like and comment, drop a comment. I will be waiting to see your comment. Okay, so we paired it with our grilled turkey, and look at how sumptuous this is looking. This could make a good dinner. This could make a good dinner with your family, a get together, invite. You want to invite your friends and family for a dinner over in your house. This is a perfect one for you. Okay, so I would like to see you in my next video. Click on the subscribe button, like and comment on this video, best. And if you're new on this channel, I'm gonna just quickly tell you all what we do here. Here we cook, we style, we braid, we share recipes, we share outfit inspos, and we share hairstyle tutorials. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.